Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. As always, thanks for watching. Today we're riding through the Jersey Shore, or what you could see of it. It's pretty foggy out this morning. I hope that doesn't make the camera too blurry. But anyway, since we're at the Jersey Shore, I figured I'd take this time to explain to you guys what a Benny is. Since in my last video I mentioned that I was going to take you guys for a few rides to the beach before the season starts and before the Bennies come down, but if you weren't from New Jersey, you weren't going to know what that meant. And I had a bunch of comments asking me what a Benny was, even from some people in New Jersey and some people that aren't familiar with New Jersey. So today I'm going to explain to you guys another useless New Jersey fact, some more useless New Jersey information, and explain what a Benny is. Alright, so let's break this down. You have Benny, B-E-N-N-Y. The B stands for Bayonne. The E stands for Elizabeth. The N stands for Newark. And the NY stands for New York. Now, Bayonne, Elizabeth, and Newark are cities in northern New Jersey, and New York is obviously the state of New York. So the name Benny, broken down like that, that's a name that people in southern New Jersey, mainly the ones that live at the Jersey Shore, have given people from northern New Jersey, not just the ones from those towns listed in the name, but northern New Jersey in general. That's what the Jersey Shore people call the northerners that come down to the beach every summer. Now, again, you have northern New Jersey, southern New Jersey. Jersey Shore is mainly located in southern New Jersey, with the beaches and all these little beach towns and whatnot. And it's a pretty popular vacation spot in the summertime. So now Benny kind of, I mean, not all the people that come down from the north are bad. It's, you know, they come down here, spend money, have a good time, go to the restaurants, go to the boardwalk, give all the businesses down here a lot of business, and for the most part, you know, they're respectful and they, you know, abide by the law and stuff. So not all Bennies are bad, but when you hear a person from the Jersey Shore say the term Benny, what they're usually talking about is the small group of people that come down, and most of them are younger people, like in their 20s, that come down here and drive like assholes, get drunk at the clubs and the bars and fight, and pretty much are just a nuisance. So that's where the kind of negative term Benny was derived from. Now, I'll be honest, I'm born and raised in Bayonne, New Jersey, lived there 35 years, and when I was in my 20s, yeah, I did that too. We would all come down here for the summer, we'd rent a house, we'd split it up between about 10 people, and we go to the clubs and the bars, and probably caused a little trouble back then. And I'll be honest with you, if I lived down here at the Jersey Shore, I wouldn't want the 20-year-old me and my friends coming down here to my town either. So what the locals down here say, I have a few friends that live down at the Jersey Shore, what they say is that their summer doesn't start until September. That's when the local summer starts. That's when the Bennies don't come down anymore. And you'll see pretty soon they'll have all their Facebook posts up with Bennies go home and things like that. because from Memorial Day weekend to Labor Day weekend, it is just a complete traffic jam down the Garden State Parkway of Northerners coming down to the Jersey Shore. So for all of you out there that were waiting in suspense to find out what a Benny was after last week's video, JT Southern Fried, I know you were in suspense. That is what a Benny is. That's another useless New Jersey fact. But hey, you might need it someday. You might be on Who Wants to Be a Millionaire one day, and the $1 million question might be, in New Jersey, what is a Benny? And there you go. Remember where you heard it first, Jersey Nick Moto. I don't even know if that show's still on, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. And maybe you'll be on Jeopardy. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. Looks like the fog burned off. Looks like it's turning out to be a nice day. They actually said it was going to rain today. Never believed the weather, man. I was actually hoping for some rain. It would have washed the bike a little bit. Anyway, I'm going to head up north like us Bennies do. Well, I guess I'm an ex-Benny. I moved a little further south. Not quite at the Jersey Shore yet. So, ex-Benny, half a Benny, whatever I am. I don't know. So if you like this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. A lot more videos to come. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see all you guys in the next video. Keep your head on the swivel out there. Later. Alright, for all you car guys out there, here's a McLaren.